Dear automotive instructors, we understand the pressure you face when teaching EV diagnostics. Limited access to safe training environments, high safety concerns with real cars, and the challenge of keeping students engaged with real transferable skills. But LN has listened and developed your desired solution for your everyday teaching challenges.
The CarTrain is the all-in-one solution for EV training. Real HV components, built-in measurement tools like an oscilloscope or a diagnostic tester, and a student-safe 400-volt HV system.
As an automotive instructor, you're expected to teach diagnostic skills that truly prepare learners for the demands of today's EV job market. Mastering EV diagnostics isn't optional, it's essential. Trainees must experience complete diagnostic workflows, understand fault patterns, and learn how to use the right tools in the right way. That's the only way to build job-ready skills. But working on real vehicles is dangerous, limited to one specific architecture, and often impractical in a classroom setting. With the CarTrain, diagnosis and repair of high-voltage vehicles, trainees step directly into the world of hybrid and electric cars. The system combines advanced hardware with our immersive learning environment RXLea, enabling learners to diagnose realistic faults, follow structured strategies, and build hands-on competencies in a completely safe environment. And you can directly integrate it in your existing LMS. The skill-based training system brings real workshop scenarios to life. Apprentices practice safe, high-voltage shutdowns, perform isolation tests, measure live 400-volt systems, analyze insulation and grounding faults, and replace defective relays, converters, or entire cable harnesses. They work through typical cases like brake disc corrosion from one-pedal driving, insulation faults, DC-DC converter failures, overheated inverters after incorrect bleeding of the cooling system, PTC heater breakdowns in winter, block charging connectors, communication losses at the charging station, or a completely discharged HV battery. In this way, trainees acquire a comprehensive set of 30 most wanted high-voltage skills, from systematic fault diagnostics and precision measurement to component replacement, reassembly, and functional verification of the entire vehicle system. These are the skills the job market requires, skills that open doors to careers across every branch of automotive technology. This training system is designed to match international standards and thus tailored precisely to your needs as an instructor. In the United States, it reflects the ASE L3 EV Specialist Certification. In the United Kingdom, the IMI EV qualifications. In Canada, Red Seal-based EV technician programs. In Singapore, the NES certification. And across the European Union, the EV Tech Curriculum Project and the DGU V certification. But the concept goes far beyond these examples. Our platform adapts to all current and future EV curricula worldwide. And because it mirrors real vehicle architectures, the skill-based training system also integrates seamlessly into the official training programs of leading manufacturers, whether it's Ford and GM in the US, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz and BMW in Europe, or Toyota, Hyundai and BYD in Asia. Together with RXLea, this system ensures that every learner not only understands the theory, but masters the real skills required in the workshop, making them fully prepared for a successful career in the fast-growing field of hybrid and electric vehicles. Want to integrate job-ready skills into your EV training program without compromising on safety? The CarTrain offers a unique combination: hands-on, skills-based training with real automotive components, yet designed to be completely safe for educational environments. It's so far the only training system that bridges the gap between authentic practice and controlled safety, making it the perfect match for your state-of-the-art EV training program. If you're ready to empower your learners with job-ready EV skills, just get in touch with us.